control panel has been activated successfully. The app helper has been successfully activated. DeFi tutorial is ready to be shown.
How decentralized is DeFi? By decentralization, DeFi can be roughly divided into three categories: centralized, partially decentralized, and fully decentralized. Centralized: decision-making in project management, setting interest rates, providing liquidity. Examples: Nexo and Celsius. Partially decentralized have one or more characteristics: non-custodial, free access to liquidity, decentralized platform development. What is DeFi made of? DeFi uses various technologies developed in the field of blockchain, although they have applications outside of decentralized finance, but play an important role in the DeFi ecosystem. First of all, DeFi projects are blockchains, distributed ledgers for recording transactions. Currently, most DeFi services are running on the Ethereum, BSC, Tron, Polygon networks due to their capabilities and popularity among developers. Benefits of DeFi: easy access to financial services, especially for those who for some reason are isolated from access to the current financial system. The rules for the implementation of processes and operations are written in the smart contract. Once set up and running, the DeFi app can run on its own with little or no human intervention. The source code of applications is open for study, which allows any user to understand the functionality of the contract or identify vulnerabilities. Crypto default state of the DeFi. Total value locked in DeFi approximately 237.31 billion of dollars.